Huge crowds of protesters gathered in Tel Aviv, angry at Prime Minister Binyamin Netanyahu, who they see as a threat to Israel's democracy. Opposition leader and former Prime Minister Yair Lapid was there.
This government is doing everything it can to start a civil war. Netanyahu is openly pushing for it. We will not let this happen. We will fight for the country, but we will not let them destroy the country.
Lapid is calling for a general strike if Netanyahu refuses to obey a Supreme Court decision freezing the government's dismissal of Ronen Bar, the head of Shin, the Israeli Internal Security Service. Netanyahu says it is up to the government to decide who heads the domestic security agency.
Ronen Bar will not remain head of Shin Bet. There will be no civil war, and Israel will remain a democratic state. We're a nation of laws, and Israeli law clearly states that the government has the authority to terminate the ISA chief's tenure before its official end.
He rejects claims that Bar's removal was meant to prevent an investigation into his senior aide's financial ties with Qatar, saying Bar repeatedly delayed submitting a report on 7th of October intelligence failures, with the final extension request coinciding with the Attorney General's announcement of the Qatar probe.
The facts are crystal clear. The dismissal was not in order to prevent the investigation. The investigation was to prevent the dismissal.
The Attorney General, Gali Baharav Miara, said on Friday that Netanyahu cannot name a replacement for Bar following the Supreme Court decision. Netanyahu's government meets on Sunday to begin dismissal proceedings against her.